Located just an hour west of downtown Chicago, Elgin is the 8th largest city in Illinois, with a population of 112,000 people and a AAA bond rating. With 3 interchanges onto I-90, 3 commuter train stations, and a 30-minute drive from O'Hare International Airport, commuting to and from Elgin is easier than ever. With over 20 business parks hosting some of the world's leading companies, Elgin has become an economic hub for the northern Fox Valley region. Elgin has a workforce of nearly 60,000, with 3.7 million workers in the metropolitan labor shed. This number is constantly growing, with new highly qualified workers coming out of Judson University and Elgin Community College, and also highly skilled welders coming from the U46 School District's Accelerated Welding Program. Other amenities offered around Elgin are top-of-the-class healthcare facilities, hotels, arts and recreational areas, and our attractive and affordable diverse housing options. To learn more on how your business can grow and succeed in Elgin, contact the Elgin Development Group for more information.